And the media budget reading and hearing, no, yeah, they are called to I'm a Ghana food, and we see now our 2 moon pains, you be 227 in any abasa. Near Kekasi, dear, what this year blasted and near Kekiachi, and they also have one of us would not say Ato Forson, and one of us. No, and if you have him lady on and Jantuah, or more than can't bet 2 months, don't you say, Debbie? Budget no day, or Motiasia in you goes. And near my way, back, who be any same board, but I can say budget on a capture. But anti-me capture it over the command editor Ato Forson. I may be our kind of boss. I hear John Mahama. I hate Penyah blocking that. That's why I say any demo. Obey like if video not that my subscribe button. Somebody click the notification icon for this update. I'm better the wide that mammy ever comment section. Obasoa. No shape was any better. No can phone nala money send up any the amount. Oh USA, oh UK. That's open. You comment my bow. I'm more sense every UK honor and I USA honor. And the above fias doing fast. Any Ghana and Kwao. Any African country be aswa. Aya nala. And 26 will be a UCB. Omu transaction very fast. Find promo code Penyah TV send this can bet you $20 amazing for free. On Sunday ya na edu fee na nara force no amount $20 for koto kebab. Ewe kwa. Let's go to the Shabusia. It was on Thursday, 23rd July 2026. Ana Ato Forson eko PM Ghana Parliament. Na hono only the media budget review no ego to Ghana for. Now before then no, ano pana ansa na wi abebo amana kwa nwumremu. Ato Forson eko PM at the floor of Parliament. E the budget na aba no. TV3 for the cameras eko for akromo eko tie o man for ni bi adwen kire ko bi kire say o man no ekoyie bibia ye fine e bi kire say da bi o man ni nkoyie TV3 for the camera eko for akrom eko tie adwadifo no o man no disem ema na o mu busi o mu expectations say budget Ato Forson e be ready no what are their expectations e there be ni there ba there o man ni da say Ato Forson enka ho asem when nsem a Ghana for no bi din kan anopa no ansa kwa Ato Forson the budget no e be hye so
What's the command? Obia Casa command, you acquire to meet in a horse, customers and near Yatuni as Asala, Obia to command, Beblena and Person Becano, because in toast, the same toast, back of 5 cities. So, what is the essence of a forecast and MMI for Ablameton toast 5 cities? But the finance minister, Abia said, one on Bechato say, who nipa Simesi, and our auto say, well, to Simunia market. Another movie be a backward. No money the phone Casano be a back.
Mommy share market in the Maye. No mommy reducing your masu kakra and Maye. Nenko for me to idea Maye. Because a yedin, Yakwangwa. Now Fukaba, Ubetanassis are nay show when him now Wukofi, Aquala bedidi, Usum bedidi, Ubebun so share light bill until young Shema and then reduce Kakra Maye. Na kwofo wo fie nbeto ade maye ye make chance wo mo na ye mobo pa adwadifo ye mobo ni ma no ukwa sokoto wo ba ya nto wo bobo na o se Mahama sa ate ni ma so na de na mo de mo ayere so enso won ti hwe so kosu ya mienu 5 so kwa se ya se atum se ukwoto 65 wo to obanya 5 cedi ma kosu bibia bo ye de ye ho chiri ye nti ye sre nada wo mo ye wo lusu ni ma ye hu hwe fiti Monday ebesi na Thursday ya mijira mi ni 200 so de bia me fuka akofie na mafo aba yes atete so mbeto petrol mu nti o mo san tum de o mo akuye kura because say no car no me fi mala mo ba me fro 3 times and some ma bedu akra anwumira kura de etwa price to so wo kwa kaso 50 30 wo kwa mala ma 20 wo ni sika na che se wo be kina ho sai bo wa ki ato na yefo ansa na yakofie nti yesra wo omongogo niema mu ma ye kakra
niema mo pa mo no ponto anya papa de ni bi rubber de no onu a enframa udisi ja so oche na ye udisi for enframa fa so na ye den no pa na ya teso amaye o customer ya si atutu bibia mu o ko ta de na ade be chen o si atu ya na so ne da be na yetu mo de o si atu nti yon so ya ba ne so ya atu ya fita no pa ya ba ya nto ade 50 Ghana mpo ma ye
mpacho ni amane de enko shenkoso na sana yetonu asa na yetonu ebia price no omu sana price no kono emba for sana etini sa na fe de say ye be kan budget na ebia nyama koso ye be ye de yenim de be ye enti ye pa cho sa be kan budget a emra de na cha so mu chichi nyama so mai na ye nya ye hu di so ti ase de cha de shenkoso wo krom
sesi a de enuoma ne se ne enuoma ekono esi enuoma ekosoro see if it's an opera, me buy me baby shade, I me ten some, and I'm a full cam, but if it's an opera, maybe shade, I me buy Colgate Chaco 20 CDs, me buy back on Ayato. Obi abano baby sanaka 20 CDs na, or send a boy yente so, or see the pet student to be.
Emi ko PM Ghana Parliament. Na ho no, ene ne Ato Forson gyina ne no obro na we so just say or start be with propaganda. Ye what 2026 mu. Ato Forson already media budget for 2026. Now to akodru 2022. I go say na Mr. Speaker 2022 no, you won't say economic crisis. Now that economic crisis cause no, it was caused by wrong policies. Just said, ye what 2026. Ato ka 4 years asem. E dey asem ni. Emma, as Ato Forson can drop because so compare over Toyota Verse 2022 and workers in economy na tete apansom na enya no. Now for Toyota Verse old models no now benya no a body ranging from 20,000 to 40,000 and a new models no 45,000 to 60,000 but 2026 we na Ato Forson budget economy ni years in 2022 no the same Toyota Verse old models no ranging from 60,000 and above. Now new models no are ranging from 100,000 to 130,000. In the Ato Forson then okay. That same 2022 no say economy na enye na ye no. Now iron rods per ton now ranging from 3,000 to about 5,000 6,000. But now that same iron rods na per ton no ranging from 6,000 and above, 7,000 and above. In the Ato Forson part today say then okay. Oh, has to read the budget neja propaganda na moye no. Na yenya nkwasiafo enye obi ana enim nyansa Ghana ha obi nim nyansa. Munya concert no. MS obrubu na we base na you know. Ekofo ademotia konya so 2022 no. On say ohwe Kumasi to Accra road na. Traffic e was so pa no. We traffic na e wo no. Eye Konongo Enyiresi Enyinam to Osino. Place 4 way e hona se kase Kumasi to Accra road traffic e wo kwan so a. These are the areas where bottleneck for traffic congestion. If they go for anybody, yenye bypass be that main road na ye maintain ya no, but yenye kwan bin to infiltrate na eno so N7 main transportation route. Na se no be connected from Konongo to Osilo straight. Konongo na twam Enyiresi etwamu ebetwamu nkoko abetwam enyiresi abetwam saa jejeti enyinam jejeti saa besi Osino. What I say? Etimu amota fa Kumasi to Accra road say wuduru Osino so do ba Osino. Ye do be book careful be fa amena bi mu saa be bo people kotisi enyinam. What I say? Aha, that I don't know bypass na Akufo anybody miam air. Obu start in 2022. Over 24 October you know there was a change in government. Emma he say Jantuah so be but Mahama ba ye no wa yi na niam no anu ase onso start express road onso ya kwan flood to forest ni mu abrank ye wo bi dada ke toa so wi anka traffic no Kumasi to Accra road no so no e be stop no Mahama so afo go eno onso express road but ye ko ready budget no nanka na Jantuah de we expect nka bypass na go for the start here kwan da ho no mu bi no aye fast to be but there's that connecting into no aye ahabesi ha na habesi ya no matwetwa akorura ba bi no and at least kayam connecting nyina mom na nya one transportational route it like how he was expecting that to be captured in the budget but lo and behold he covered the budget no Ato Forson made mention of express road now omo air start no I don't make mention of that I assign money to that but bypass no ya nkan hwe eno ana Jantuah ede abufuo abege kana adwen e kire wo mu
abaya dwuma bia boyeka abaya dwuma bia ni wa yenya mfaso da from mampanyi jeje abreso bepem ne abaya dwuma bia ni wa yetimi kase bosumi wo menya mfaso de ka kire me abaya dwuma kese kofi pe abaya dwuma kese mame ne busa abaya dwuma yese abaya dwuma we die yetimi di sika kose abaya dwumam ni aboka abaya dwuma bia empanyifo no so muti ho no eya akrachefo mako school okwa abrochira abaya dwuma ekọ nanim bebre ansa na ankrankra dwuma ba beka ho enso Ghana ha aban adwuma bia agu aban adwuma bia boka meetings akese ene sikadie ene ye omude meetings wanya bi bobo ne nhwe aban adwuma ya bobo ne nhwe aban adwuma enti say ya na moka budget review na any budget bebrebe ne Mr. Speaker the GDP is this the GDP the na me hwane say ene ekosi sen na ekosi sen ena ne krakra ne de wahi mo be kan budget ni nyina awie se dollar ye sei no adwuma sen ena timi de baaye enu ne hia nipa sen ne nya nsuo enom nipa sen ne kɔ ayarehwe a omunya bi nipa sen ena wo sika ewo ma accounts ma o metimi de aye bibi sa questions ne na mehia ewo budget ne mu aban agrek no ena media ba de troka enso yesi aye ade bobo aban adwuma ni bi so ma me
aban adwuma hodo a ewo Ghana ha nkomo aye di ye sha se o Ghana National Petroleum Authority GNPC or Ghana River Authority Electricity Company of Ghana Gridco Ghana Water Company
and to the TO GNPC eka eda ho omuntimi wie GNPC one minute now MPP ni NDC fu ya GNPC abroka o de ko GNPC ko hwe omu enkrata mu basa yatam ye de ya astrotef yakoha te say oh Jesus Christ
asemo Water River Authority
it's a your GNPC
your GNPC Water River Authority
vote vaku busa
vaku
from Kwame Nkrumah breso enya asomfaso ofiri so vaku enya mfaso da de bia atwefa ne bo enso de bia yetua nkrofo ka most of the MPs buzo mo said no yo me bae me de na ko immigration me de na ko police me de bia ko soldiers eno no so wa create job you call this creation of job amanyofo nya sa no mai mi busa amanyofo no enya sa no mai mi pese mi busa say president abako president ben na betimi de unse si obu aka say obaye no obie nyuma bebre asa nyuma no eda so tiase a efa nkrofo adwuma bebre mi busa question na mi busa na no pese president abako o de fourth republic president ben na betimi aka say president we de obaye wa bie nyuma pa ama nyuma ne ye adwuma pa ama nyuma na fankrofo adwuma pa president be mon kan kire me JJ Kofo Atamils John Mahama Nana Akufo-Addo John Mahama biem mebusa ayeden ena nanu me ka say yenya advert mo bia ba me de ka asem Coca-Cola Guinness latest phone eni na busianfo ya ye di nkomo Toyota Mitsubishi Nissan Ford sa cars adentina edaso etiase nanu na me ka Ghana ejuma Ghana ejuma etimi edi 30 years no untimi nya 5 Ghana ejuma yesi aye eya aban ejuma a ejina brane untimi nya 5 die wo hono egu die nyangu enso a ebegu enti sese die e kan wan wa adwen se expressway ni nso nukure ewom ne se ye di kan ka cho se expressway no President John Mahama ontimi nwie ansa no afiri so na de ne amanyofo ye ka maso odin sa expressway no ontimi nwie President John Mahama ontimi nwie expressway na ansa no afiri so these are the facts and yet to say yempe expressway o kan krofon tiase President John Mahama wan mu ne briefing no ye di kan be ka cho say a typical expressway a bit between 3 to 5 years, sometimes even 7 years. Yamfi, ye wa kwan bebre wo ho a yentimi wie ye. E kwan bebre wo ga se wo akwan kra yentimi wie ye. Ato Forson okoka expressway wantimi ankoka bypass eno ametie me makoma ye me hwem se eh na de akra sembe ni yewra Ato Forson expressway no wo se watwa sika to special fund accounts bi wo Bank of Ghana sa sika no $300 million anka wuyi ya wo de bewie bypass no mpacho tie o na no ne etia ne aka cho se aban expressway ni ye na mum na kufa do aye bypass wie NDC aban amfi ye enra yewura Ato Forson anka bibia head of research so can be aka kire me or can be for expressway
no not the focus here on big push projects no me na expressway no
na wo ba be ready budget na two parties say won twa sika bia mba me expressway no I can say bypasses no which is key me amusi mi Ato Forson
now you know yeah 24 elections ni no na and this omu main and that's omu flagship policy and that's omu flagship program 24-hour economy I know na news say part of what job opportunities because kuku a adwuma na ahye moment ye de be bo hopan na sa pai na pai adwuma de be bu Ghana ha eno so na Ghana fo gina yekoto abade ma John Mahama ene ne NDC government ema Mahama kwa ka kire so ono no ade a wontimi nye on kan kire Ghana fo on twa ye tro.
What I can promise you is that I will be truthful to you. I will never tell you lies. I'll never tell you things that I can't do.
What he cannot do, he won't say it. It means idea be a Mahama bad no can in opposition be no. During campaign time no. Na ordin who this obetimi aye. But ya kotie media budget review no. Ya bo sanitary pad ne so kikan sky de ewura mu 2026 na hyase ndie bia besie and de yesa de bia beto so. Yakobo the big push etire mu say ya san 30.8 billion cedis just say yabo so bi Yakobo ankoko anketenkete project no esa kan 244 million cedis in say bi kura kan ho just say yabo body ma bibrebe so a na nka amanfo no bi twen say ne main policy as a flagship policy no anka mon ka bibi mfa ho that is 24-hour economy no kamon ka bibi mfa ho but Ato Forson chiche sika no 24-hour economy was left in the tender. Yanti 24-hour economy din ewo the media budget review ni mo. Eno ana Afia Vimlady. Ene Ghana form si da bi budget we eye kroko the job budget. Ko budget angasa mo main flagship policy and as mo flagship program and capture the na budget be ante Afia Vimlady ene Ghana for ni bi we ene nsemu a o mo kan edefa ho.
I mean the things don't add up. The math and mathing. It doesn't add up. The math is not mathing. Because once you mention 24-hour economy and go and mention Gapua, Mimi yetema girl, obi oti akra na ade be dada no. Gapua has been employing. If you mention Gapua, that's the first red flag. Gapua here 24-hour economy enye ne ya we wotema na ye nim tema like the back of our hands. Gapua started so ye 24-hour economy report enye ne. It is not under your 24-hour. Afi bia Gapua employing for because ye expanded port no. And na ye port is one of the most if not it is the best port in West Africa. Yeah, Ghana port now all the transit cargo Burkina, Niger, Mali, Bia today bia ye fan for. So Gapua fan for it is not because of 24-hour economy. Oh, ye busa no to be antre. Ono ankasa NDC say 24-hour economy moment to me antre because I entro. You cannot come and lie to anybody about 24-hour economy using Tema, especially Gapua. You can't do that. You see, but being is because yen as ordinary Ghanaians, so I was saying maybe here. The politics na NDC ni MPP ni bebrewa. You can't do politics with 24-hour economy. Eka idea nke ye ma Ghana for. And what you should do is nka fra umia ba umia. Friend MPP for now ni omontina say mo 1D1 F mo ye kosi sen. How can we revamp it? Mahama, they also ye 24-hour. They also they 10 factories. Every factory be in a region. 10 major factories. Unya extra, they are called 6 other regions, newly created regions that count. 16 regions. Twa de unya no MPP for ye so there be abandon no. Wa abandon adenda 111 who kwa 24-hour economy and no you could not even mention it in the budget. Wa bani ebusa wonso a oso ntumi nye. You see, you can't mention one single job. O kwa mention Gapoa. So wo na uba na I mean as me from time I mitua nufu ano kra Gapoa employing for every year. Inti Gapoa is a wrong example. When I also work creative fuel stations, I feel the okobo Gapoa. The whole 24-hour economy na dane Gapoa. Another inti na make them say Musa dan kwase Ghana for 57% say omo life improve. Where are those Ghanaians? Because the Ghanaians no inflation was so Nyama ball is going up and down every time. Because inflation and I check the rate of price changes. No? We see inflation going. And so there be inflation also more doctor inflation now, but yeah, Ghana we can see inflation going up. But they be catches inflation is coming down. And so the rate of price changes also is changing. And it's not changing downwards, it's changing upwards. Oh, it's changing upwards. It's so sad the same more politics. And you see,
I call parliament. Nanka, yeah, campaign no. Obeti or the asempa nabo 24-hour economy. Samreno.
Yeah.
Samreno. NDC for catching say 24-hour economy initiative no more the airba no. Over 4 years no ebe generating numa 1.7 million. Canom catch. Last year, say around the policy paper by almost associate subia. And now baby so bia no ntia se e wo 24-hour economy no e na baby. E ma minister kra nra okọ studio bi. Em ye bisa no. Say 24-hour economy bi esi o ntia se nya baby. Because a party chairman kind of organizer and you be more electricity and ajo e ma odi aye you rate be ba for ye bi so obi now see o ye be see airport obi ancha se e na baby. Obi a o share anasa obi a we school a wutie 24-hour economy in shishia NDC ekan wansem ansa na wo koto abama no ene ete wo sai sabi e bia wonu ho by ne da so no agro ebeso a ifia no pa
woni ni say sometimes the policy be betumi aba mo abere so mo the nice policies by say one village one dam
eja ma me wia me be push ayeke ebra minister call parliament November 2025. Obo initiative be a policy no man as a budget no. Ebi no say big push no ka 2026 nyuma kwa kekede ever ba no 470,000. Okoso kan say oil palm development initiative na abe ne initiative bi omo ne ba no so be ma nyuma 2026 ya o 250,000. Oko so I can say factories so mubesi afi ebema jobs 20,000 ewo he review no as such as in section 28 of act no I can say answer na wo be main budget no macroeconomic environment na et say bia efi January besi June no asesa until projections now the by osika say na beba fotro no say na be asesa ene also the revision no eba cheche mu che manfo say major policy bi so ewo ho a ene obe the friend supplementary budget wanya supplementary budget nti ogina baby a ogina na ye bisa say anso obi eso ho daye as at December 2024 say emre bi beba NDC abai esa na ahene minister of finance ebeba parliament abai budget review where the friend 24-hour economy no kran fina no
they tell them so na me bisa wasem bi say mo the nice policies by mo ba one village one dam planting for food and job one district one factory policy kase pa me one village one dam there me how come sin ko no ko chichi kakra na me ba
na okọ ya hu bibi
me ba mi hu kakra bi
okay
na obeka se policy bi ba one to obona se wo tutu man pamrika koya e be wi ase ne enyi yi se de se yi no enti no e bia momode na e bia etosin wo me ahudro bi enti no e bia omo so twen ahihye ni enti e ba na ba bum prakope no so to me factor bi obutumi account say no can be na man delay
eja agroverso Afia
agroverso
say make policies na go yeah be ba mu 2016 your major flagship policy and you can say you buy your bare free SHS you buy you know 9 months your first budget you kind of March of 2017 and your kind budget 6 months later no you start your free SHS because now you're a priority and this beba no can say priority no say economy be running 24 hours you catch them say hey encrofo ye ni momo enuanu ye ni momo ene ye me
wonyi ni say ya say e be education
maybe to say 1 million coders one more so
ya hwe bibi education one where yi sa free senior high school yi nkola na e system e wo hodada nkola no wo school hodada bia wo hodada ena ye ma omoba ebidum ba be ka ho eno ene say bi obaka si be hihye mfirinyuma na afa depa no ese
policy now they are 2 or 24 hours almost say private sector led intenya afi na o kwahye fidi e wo baby o be create enabling environment e ma nyuma omo eye no ometimi sa na omo kan media sa na mekan omo esusuye omo hihye na obeti yes filling station running 24-hour economy na 24-hour economy obeti yes passport office bisa ho say Ghana fu anyi kran na passport and I say here passport bibi bia wo ye demand driven obi catch us say edwa eni ho say me offer service bi anasa me manufacture bi na edwa eni ho a enkosi ye catch em say ansa na bibi say ebetimi akoso no eje say demand no obi per service na wo offer no na say ade a wo ye obi ehia ansa na ebekoso
obeta kire wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section I Penyah Block Media Accra.